give me the blame. Man, I puff white ice and I wall rhythm. Gyal a fly down, say them all lie down. Clean off my gun, crystal love fight rum. But hands man of them oxygen. Man, I run road, not the tax.
People, so the artist is named Huntsman and it feature with an ex-artist called Dwayne Tree that is April. Yeah man, so as you can see, the single is called Highway. The link are there down below. Mother artist, if you not drive, if you not have this in on the car. It's April. So here we are going to make we jump tonight. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancehall. What go on people to work with another video, please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell if you don't miss out.
With pop skull in Gaza, but not that Gaza, but still it's a Maza. Niggas want peace like a Saba, but we let bridge them burn like grabber.
Shot me rotic in a your barney ears. Tell soft and fake with the sheep, look a marmon. Die trying, but you will never be a yard man.
Alright people, so take a pause. Big up on yourself when you know the thing. So Mavado and Drake beef still are going if you don't realize it, guys. You see me, but what me a pray now? Some people have said Drake never attack him. You see me, but me I gotta tell you straight, you see, anybody will say yo Drake never attack to him or never never directly sing that song that for this dog or whatsoever. Them nah mates, right, you see it? Them not really understand the music. You see me, cause I listen to that said line there with the verse over and over. And when the man use Jamaican style straight out, you see me, in the flow there, you see me, and the word them way I use like a dog, I say yo. Dog them pop skull, you see it? Want Gaza, but not that Gaza. Them time them a big up cartel, this sucker. You know with who say pops color, we Jamaicans say them things them common sense. You see me, so differently from that man I say nigga want peace from cassava, but we make them bridges burn like grabber. You see me? You hear that? Yes, so alright. So him and Mavado used to good. You see me? And cassava peace Mavado come from and the dog I say yo, nigga want peace, but we burn that bridge like cassava. You see it? And cassava the bridge, you know. Because them money go them place the people easy and it's simple, you see me. So we know it's the era. We know it's the dog and him will good, right? You see me? But when you check your level, you know, people, Mavado Gully got a real thugs, you know. You see me? Them man they nah set suburbs and know it's the era gone. I see where you are look for, you know. I see where you are doing, you know. You're not gonna use me, you know. See here, man. I exploit you, extort you. You see me? But you see, if you're weak and you're frightened for them boy, me I tell you, them enough use you. You see me? But you feel like it's good for you when it's actually not. You see me? But bigger man thing still. The God, right now for me, the God know what him a do. And him know what him did do. You see me? Cause Khalid, DJ Khalid no this no man from Jamaica. Them man they come to Jamaica probably before me even born probably. You see me? I don't know. You see me? But when me check your level, Khalid probably bring Drake come here. Go. Yeah, can be. Leave a comment down below. But look at channel peeps, Cartel how him get involved. You know though. Alright, so Cartel get involved by making an Instagram post. You see me saying yo, where's the this though? You see me? So with that said, that you can know that Derek, I love not talk no man or but you can know. Is it? So Cartel I just try to be smart, you see it? Like say, where's the this? Like him a try be smart, you see me? Yeah, when deep down him know say you wanna him it dip on the this step on, you see me? Him just a work with the flow, but him well and know. But anyway, take it still, that I just Cartel, you see me? But big man thing still. Him really, that's why I know God that bigger man for them thing and differently, you see me? See who have to try this God Drake. You see it? Yeah man. So Mavado thing different when you check the level, you see me? So it's a win-win for God same way in a sense. So when you check it out, more intensity, that exposure upon him again. And the man Dave not do no song how long, you see me? And watch it. Be exposure again. Easy like that. And the dog now look for none of that. You see me? What do you them man they post a house where him a build up dog? And me I tell you say that I just never start about us, dog. Like I want scheme the man of, you see me? Yeah, man. Don't forget to you dream for even own a one house, me I tell you, much less a scheme. I live in a terrace place like B house there, and the man wants it bigger than this said way. You see me? And me I tell you, say, yeah, man, you think can work? You see me? You pay certain people no mind, man, God. You see me? Go on there, think enough people inspire and thing, dog. You see me? Yeah, man, big man thing. So, here I go on, peeps. When you leave a comment down below, tell me phone, opinion, press based on that video, what I do. You see me? And we are going to talk in the next video. You see me? Because my next video did get how much views and things, but you don't know. At the end of the video, this next time, I come with the next exciting video. So like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend or your family. It no matter. Bless up.